Let's talk about some memories. When a child is born, first birthday, the first day of school, picnic, the first date, the graduation day, and many more such events. In our life's journey, we have these memories, including engagement, marriage, death. Everywhere you see one common thing, photo frame. If you go to somebody's wedding today, you will see that everyone is giving them a photo frame. I myself gifted so many photo frames. And that's what I thought like, is this an industry? Is that a market? And then I was able to find that yes, these things actually get sold. You can see for memories, people gift each other. So $22 photo frame, $24 photo frame, and you see the number of sales every single month. 2,000 sales in the last month. 3,000 people bought this photo frame the last month. This again 2,000 sales the last month, and 6,000 people this one the last month. I think this can be more for the corporate side. But whatsoever, photo frames are photo frames. And these are memories. Same with go to Etsy.com. You can see here 24,100 reviews and it's 5-star reviews. 544 rupees photo frame, 1,400 rupees photo frame, but 15,000 people paid for this. Have a guess calculation? It's already reaching a few lakh rupees, right? Now, same if you see many of these products are listed in Etsy.com and also Lazada Singapore website.com. And this is Rakuten, this is Japan's website, and this is Dubai's Noon.com. Everywhere you can see common thing that photo frames are getting sold online. So I have a business opportunity. I give you plug and play e-commerce startup where you can export these photo frames using e-commerce marketplace. We can also sell in Indian marketplaces like Amazon and Flipkart, but I don't want you to spend money on buying these products. I want you to get into a B2B business which is easy, which is exports, and which is not having any inventory. These photo frames, as you can see, are just designs. Somebody who is a supplier of this, we just have to connect with them. I'll give you the contact of suppliers. I'll teach you how to find suppliers also and how to buy these, how to find the suppliers and how to build your e-commerce store from scratch and how to sell these products and make profits. Easily 5 to 6 crore rupees per month revenue you can do in this. Easily, I'm telling you. I've also started my own e-com business. This is my lifetime of analytics. Let me just refresh this. I'm doing bulk sales. This is my last 30 days of analytics. And this is my lifetime of analytics. And this is my dashboard. There are my list of products that I'm selling, about 65 categories of products I'm selling currently, about 8,000 products I have. So same exact process that I'm following to build my e-commerce business. I'll teach you the same exact process so you can design your own e-commerce store and start selling products to the global market. And it's quite easy to do e-commerce exports to the international market and make profits. So my name is Sumit and I'm the mentor trainer for you as the chairman of Indian e-commerce, and previously I worked with Alibaba and Amazon as program director. I was jury for WTO. So along with me, I have other experts and mentors who all will be guiding you, mentoring you throughout this journey. And these are some of my works in the past, working with Amazon, working with entrepreneurs, working with Alibaba Group, and with my experience core in e-commerce, export import, with my studies and masters in international trade, with this grip on exports using e-commerce, I highly recommend you that you should learn the art of e-commerce, because I feel that in today's time, e-commerce is one big industry which is in need and which is a future of all the businesses. You need to be online, you need to sell your products online, and e-commerce is the way. So I want you to get started with this all-in-one master's level program where you can master the art of e-commerce and digital marketing and sales with this all-in-one practical program where you can get all these 17 certifications as part of the bundle with lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support. You get support from my team members forever so that you can build your successful e-commerce business. So this program is a comprehensive all-in-one program. We call it as an all-in-one program. And this is open for anyone who want to venture into e-commerce. I'm giving you 17 certificates bundle with ebooks, white papers, case studies, and also softwares integrated into this. And more importantly, I'm also going to give you my own e-commerce store builder so that you can simply list the products and start selling them and start making profits. I'll also give you softwares and tools for digital marketing, AI integrated search engine optimization, social media marketing, and paid advertisement solution so that you can have your own domain name, you can add your own staff members, you can directly collect payment from your bank account. So let me show you. You can actually have your own domain name with your own brand name.com of your choice. You can add your own staff members. You can directly collect payment from your customers into your bank account. So there is no middleman in this. This is directly your own business, your own website, your own business. So this is a ready-made plug-and-play business opportunity. Name your store, add the products, and start selling. You can sell anything in this. I'll be teaching you the strategies of digital marketing so that you can get sales immediately without investing any money in the product itself, but just focusing on digital marketing and making profits as wholesale dropshipping. So the whole ecosystem is at the lowest possible price so that you can get started with this ready-made plug-and-play business with certifications, mentorship, and support with lifetime access updates from IIC's team. Now, this amount can be paid in EMI, so it will hardly cost about 4,800 per month. That's all. Alternatively, you can also go for the mentorship program and get started with the lifetime access of the program. So the mentorship plus the store builder and the buyers and suppliers data, all inclusive, you can get started with this ready-made business opportunity with IIC today. So don't miss out in this wonderful opportunity. I'm very confident that in this business, you will make at least 10 to 12 lakhs per month. You can make more if you are able to follow the process that I'm giving you. I have already done it. You can also do. So join my team and become a successful entrepreneur with IIC.